What is going on, beautiful people? Slick is back, your favorite YouTuber. So, a diet update. We are getting pretty thin. I'm over at 200.8. It's not like I'm losing weight because I've been at 200 for like a whole month now. I'm leaning out very slowly. Like I'm getting really lean in my midsection. I think another 3 to 4 months and my body fat will be at a certain point where my abdominals will start showing, because they're showing a little bit now when I'm flexing. But I like what my diet is right now. I'm looking real good. I'm looking real lean. I don't know if I want to get like super big. I don't know if I want to get super skinny. Like this is like the perfect size for me. So I think I'm going to stay at 200 and just lean out and stick with my current diet and my current exercise plan, because I'm not competing in shows. I'm not really doing this to impress a lot of people. I'm doing this for myself, to look good, to boost my self-esteem. I like going to the gym. It's very therapeutic. It gets a lot off my mind, helps me think better, a ton of positive benefits. So I think I'm just going to sit at maintenance for now, at least. That's the current game plan. So yeah, we'll go up, weighed in at 200.8. I had a cheat meal today. I went out to eat with my family. I had a half-pound burger with 5 strips of bacon on it and some French fries. I hit the gym 2 hours later. We did chest and triceps today, so feeling really good. I was able to chest press incline on the, what's it called? Hammer strength machine. I think I did like 3 plates plus 25, so 320. But I don't rest my feet on the feet handles. I like going on the floor and pushing up like that, so I feel better contraction in my pec muscles. So I got that for 8 reps, which was my first time. I'm super excited about that. And yeah, that was it. And I did my 40 minutes of cardio again. I don't know what happened. I didn't want to do it, but it got done. I'll put the stats up. About 10 minutes in, I had this crazy pain in my abdominals. Like my abdominals were getting really worked. It kind of felt good, but it kind of made me like want to give up. But I remember what I said at the beginning of the week: 40 minutes of cardio every day, and I got it done. But the pain went away like 10 minutes later. I think it was my the burger I had, because I usually don't have any pain in my abdominals when I'm doing the elliptical, and I wasn't going extremely hard. I keep it low to moderate intensity, so it was kind of strange. And I don't know, my head got kind of cold, but it went away about 10 minutes later and around the 20-minute mark. So yeah, we burned a ton of calories, got all that done. So that's the weight loss. I just wanted to discuss, I plan a new trip. So next month I'm going to South Carolina. My family has a condo down there, so I'm going to relax there for about 5 days. I had to use some personal time for work, or else I'd lose it. So I said, why not take a trip to South Carolina? I plan on doing some walks on the beach in the morning, walking on the boardwalk, and some exercise. Maybe go to the gym down there, because there's a gym really close. And I want to hit up the new Top Golf they put in. Swing some golf balls maybe early in the morning. Just have a good, relaxing time. It's supposed to be like kind of chilly in like the 50s, but it's a lot better than up north, because tomorrow's supposed to be like 0 degrees, which I'm staying inside. Go Bills. Tomorrow's gonna be a big rest day. Not really a rest day, it's gonna be like a party day, because I got stuff planned all day pretty much to hang out with my friends and everything. So I'm gonna take a rest day, relax, eat a ton of good food, have some alcohol, and just enjoy the Saturday, because you have to take breaks from your diet every now and again. But on Sunday I'm gonna get right back at it, and I have off on Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Hit the gym then, and I got a nice long weekend planned ahead. Nice trip. I plan on dropping a few more videos. Maybe not about weight loss stuff and fitness, but I do want to make a video about my World of Warcraft guild, how we started a mutiny during one of the patches, because it's a funny story. I think it'll be enjoyable for me to put out. And fitness videos, kind of running out of things to talk about. When things come to my mind, I kind of jot down my notepad. Maybe make a little change for videos, but hopefully you guys had a great week, great work week, great working out week. Keep up with the exercises, keep up with the cardio for the healthy heart, keep up with the positive mindset. You can do whatever you want to do. Just break down some low goals and you'll achieve a bigger goal. So like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. I got some stuff to do. Always busy. So take it easy. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Quick update on the avocado. So the jar I got, I'm not an expert with avocados or avocado growing, but the jar I had, the root wasn't like fully in the water. I felt like it was drying up a little bit. So I put it in this fancy little like chemistry glass I got, and it seems like the root is like sprouting out more, which is kind of good. Let me see if I can pull it out here. I'm spilling water all over my table. Oh, damn it. But ooh, yeah, this is what I'm rocking with right now. I think it's growing pretty good. I'm not sure if this is the most effective way, but it seems to be working, and I would need to get a bigger vase for it. But I'm happy with the progress. I just want to bring an update on it because it's something I'm super happy about. I think growing plants and things like that is like something really cool, and I want to do some more of it. And it's just one of the hobbies I do. Well, I started to do. We'll see how it goes. I just gotta clean up this water now. So later.